Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Usibongile itshitshi elijabulile nje, her being set apart nje, and her receiving the white dot meant a lot to her, and not only to her but to Umam Samge, and not only to Umam Samge but also to Ubab Vuma, who is very proud and decided to give her a whole cow. Yes, he gave her a whole cow for herself, for keeping herself as pure as the culture wants her to become. Now, umsebenzi wakhe lo memulo is going to happen in 2 days, and the ladies are singing their lungs out. Like they're singing every day without fail, every day without stopping. Even Uvelephi is asking ukuthi kanti abakhathali labantu. USangweni ke yena on the other hand is angry ukuthi ibhizinisi yakhe istopile. Uguy is livid, like uSangweni aka understand, ubona kahle ukuthi yazi at this point he's being sabotaged by uSamke. He then decided to go and tear his shop kaSamke upside down. Ayibonisa ama flames ukuthi this is where I'm going to do, this is what I'm going to do, and this is who I am. Now here's the thing, engizibuza yona i1 nje qha, with all that is happening, uSangweni hope uku-achieve ini, and then mase kaku-achievile ke lokho afuna hope uku-achieve, what's then going to happen to him? Because remember uSangweni ule because uhlala no Ubab Vuma, and Ubab Vuma is not the biological father. Basahleli ke lapho kumnandi, Ubab Vuma athole iletha ethi abantu baka Dlamini baqela ukuhlanganisa amehlo nabantu baka Mbambo. Abantu baka Dlamini baqela ukuhlanganisa amehlo nabantu baka Mbambo, meaning ukuthi mhlawumbe uhlobo obuhle will be created la, like mhlawumbe something good izoyenzeka la, mhlawumbe the lobola is coming. Umbambo uzovuma na ukuthi uwenzo ashade no Sibongile, considering ukuthi umbambo akafuni nix, akezwa next anything ethi Sibongile shada akayizwisisi. But ke mina I'm hoping ukuthi they agree, and finally ukwenzo no Sibongile baba ne happily ever after yabo. Also bear in mind ukuthi the show will be going on a production break, so we don't know ukuthi what will be the overall conclusion while it's on that break. But ke twang seems to be like it's going to be the order of the day. While ngale Phetheni nomuntu wakhe balwela ukuyenza lento yama DNA ne, inkinga ngayo ukuthi uPhetheni akafuni ukuthi avulwe, ulo usibalikhulu uthi uzowavula whether athanda or angathandi. This might ruin their marriage. Are we ready? I'm definitely not ready.